A front-load washer that is not spinning close to dry can be a frustrating issue. But it often has a simple solution. The problem is usually due to the washer not being well balanced on the ground. To fix this, the washer needs to be properly balanced on the floor. This can be achieved by loosening the lug nuts on the washer's legs, which can be done by unscrewing them. The bolts can then be adjusted to raise or lower the washer as needed, by turning them clockwise to lower or anti-clockwise to raise. It's essential to test the stability of the washer by rocking it on all sides to ensure it is balanced. Once satisfied with the balance, the screws on the washer's legs can be tightened. To confirm that the issue is resolved, a cycle should be run. It's also important to consult the washer's manual for specific instructions on adjusting the legs, as the process may vary. By following these steps, the problem of a front-load washer not spinning close to dry can be easily solved.